Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my apartment where I live. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the kitchen. Actually the kitchen, there are two of them. One is this one, and if you come here is a living area. This is a hall, and I use it with other students. So sometimes you can have party, you can invite friends and then other people over here. So that's the TV. We have some sound system also here. We have fridge. The fridges, you can just you can put your food stuff over here. Yeah. We also, you see, for common use, everyone can use washing, soap and that stuff also here. We have another fridge. It's another fridge here. Okay. And then there's another kitchen. So the kitchen is two, and you can cook any place you like. So yeah, I used to cook here because it's closer to my room. So now let's go to my room and then I'll show you how it is. Okay guys, so this is my room. So here I have some of my jeans, my clothes here, and then my shoes. So down there, this place I have my cream and brush, other things also here. And here I hang some of my clothes here, and then some of my shoes also down there. This is my washroom. So you can see I have my washroom over here. Okay, so let's go. That's my bed, and then this is my bed actually. Yeah. And this my some food stuff. Actually I don't know why I put them here, but man has to eat. Yeah. This is a box I received. My phone. This is the book I'm currently reading. It says Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela, and after I finish reading this book, I'll post it to one of my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's my laptop, my printer, my PC. Yeah, you can see over here, and I have my books and other stuff also here. Yeah. And this is a heating system for the room. Actually, this is what helps us to survive here in Germany or Europe. It heats the room so that yeah, it heats the room basically. And over there we have the electric plugs over there, so you can plug all your even internet cable, you can connect it. And we have some of the sockets also here, and there's additional one closer to my bed. So guys, basically these are the things that you might have in your room. Most of this stuff I bring them, and the bed, everything was already here. It was set up. The washroom, everything was set up. You just bring your clothes and that's it. There are some rooms that they have their own kitchen, or but I share with other students. I share the living room with other students as well. and even the fridge. You can put your stuff in, and that's it. So guys, this is what you find in your room. This is how the student accommodation looks like. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Like this video and then subscribe. Hit the notification button close to the subscription buttons, then you can receive, so that you can receive some of my videos or all my videos that I'll be posting. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.